Hello YouTube, this is a 3-speed Galaxy box fan from 1988 to 1989. As you can see, it's got a brown blade set. Not sure if that's the original color. I think it's been painted. It is missing its handle. I've got a zip tie in place. Works exceptionally well for being a zip tie. As you can see, it's got the Galaxy logo up there. 3 speeds. This is probably one of the most clean fans I own. It is barely has any rust. The grills are mainly intact. There's one broken slat down there at the bottom, but other than that, the grills are very white. The cabinet is pretty clean. Not much of anything on it. Flip around to see the back. It's got the little plastic motor. It's got both feet. Half of that foot's broke off, but it still works. Somebody may have replaced the cord at one point or something because they've got some bale or wire zip ties going on up there. There's your switch. I'll go ahead and turn it on its side so you can see the underside. It's got a little sticker on the bottom. 9/18/8/14. It's also got some information down here. It says E2073 Type 1, style SLS, listed 154C, 120 volts, 2.2 amps. 1988 to 1989. Flip it back on its here. And I'll go ahead and start it up on high. I'll let you hear the back, hear the startup sound. Medium. Shakes a little bit, not too bad. Come down to low. And off. I'm sure it needs oiled. It's a pretty fast spin down. I'll get a start up on low. I found this at a thrift store for $15. I thought it was a pretty good find. It moves a good bit of air, more than modern ones. Not an insane amount, but pretty good for the time, I'd say. I can still pick it up and move it around pretty easily, so there you have it, the 88 to 89 Galaxy box fan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and see my other videos.